Hey friends, I fortunately came across this website and instantly hit a jackpot. Don't forget to watch this complete video as I am going to give away coupon codes so that you can receive more discount than ever on your first purchase from this website. Welcome back to my channel Homeopathy World, and if you're new here, my name is Dr. Samina and I am a homeopathic doctor from India. And you might have noticed that I have been a little busy lately, so couldn't upload much. But here I am today with the most amazing video ever. Today I'm going to review something different in this video. I am reviewing a website. So recently I had to order some homeopathic cosmetics and I was going through some websites and comparing the prices. Now you might think, why don't I just buy them from my local retailer or a wholesaler? So firstly, I was looking only for a few items to buy. So I thought to buy them from a retailer itself, and even though as being a doctor, I have some additional discount privileges on select few purchases, cosmetics are always sold on MRP. So of course, as I too want to enjoy some additional savings, so I was comparing the prices on different websites. And I came across this website called Homeo and Herbs. So I had seen this website before, but I was skeptical that should I buy it from here? But it seemed like a good website. But I also wanted to be 100% sure. So I just searched on Google and I came across this business page, also a Facebook page, Instagram profile, as well as a Twitter handle, and their website as well, which had many good reviews. So I read the reviews over here and I was so relieved. Now let us click here and visit their website. Here, as you can see, there are many homeopathic as well as Ayurvedic medicines, cosmetics and much more. I was surprised at the amount of discount that they are offering on their products, which was way more than any other website. So I started digging deeper. So let me walk you through this website and show you how you can utilize this website to its fullest. Here on the home page itself, you can see there's cash on delivery. So you can be relieved from all your tensions. You don't have to pay earlier. You just have to pay cash on delivery. And also there is free shipping above 1000 rupees. And you get a flat 18% off when you place the order. And also you find free consultation. So if you're a patient, you can have a free doctor's consultation on this website. Also there are hassle-free returns. So you don't have to worry if you want to return any items, you can just do it without any problem. And there is secure shopping. So if you want to pay through your debit card or credit card, you don't have to worry about it. It will be completely secure. And also you get a customer support 24/7. Here, as you can see, you can buy health related directly or you can buy the bestsellers. There is also a list of bestsellers which you can see is at 18-19% off rates, and also you can shop by brands. Here you can see there are hundreds of brands available, and as well as homeopathic as well as Ayurvedic brands are available. So you can buy all these products at cheaper rates. Now let's go into the delivery section, and you can see that the estimated time of delivery is around 5 working days and it will be shipped to any corner of India, and it might also take 10 to 15 working days for the shipping which is at the international addresses. The shipping partners are Delhivery, FedEx, DTDC, all the good brands, and they ship very securely, so you don't have to worry about your items. They are going to be securely shipped. Okay. Also, the return policy is very good. You just have to enter the name, last name, all your details, and then you have to place the reason for return. So if your product is expired or faulty or wrong order placed, you just have to mention the reason and you can apply for the product return, and it will be returned as easily as it is purchased. Now, a very good news for doctors is you have a wholesale section. So here, if you're buying for your clinic or if you're buying for your pharmacy, you can enter your name, your mobile number, your email address, and all the required details, and you can purchase the items at a wholesale rate also. Okay, so only you have to create an account, you have to log in. If you're a new customer, you have to create an email address and password, and then you can use it. Your account details are saved, and then you can use the same details for your further purchases. As you can see, you can also buy through potencies. So if you want LM potencies or 630, 200, any potency you can buy according to potencies. You can buy according to dilutions, mother tinctures, or tablets, or biochemics. You can buy through brands, or you can buy through personal care, oral care, skin care, or you can buy through Ayurvedic sections, whichever brand you prefer in the Ayurvedic section, and you can buy cosmetics. Let's go into the shampoo section, and I wanted to buy this Arnica shampoo. So let's see whether it's available in this particular section. So here it is, SBL's Arnica Montana herbal shampoo. I wanted to buy this, so let me add this to the cart. Once you add this to the cart, you can see the free shipping is above 1000 rupees, that is 100% free shipping. So you just have to have a cart value of 1000 rupees. Here you can see you can increase the quantity as well as you can decrease the quantity, and also you can remove the product. So just to prove that these rates are way less than any other website, because I have searched in all the websites, I'm just going to prove it to you right now. I'm just going to copy this particular and paste it in Google search, and I'm going to type buy online, and here you can see all the latest results, and the first is 1mg, which is a very popular website, and here you can see that particular shampoo is not available. This is a different one, but the price is 144. So this is not the same thing. So let's go to Flipkart. Maybe Flipkart is having this particular shampoo, and let's also see in Healthmark. Here you can see, even though there are 2 bottles, it is 304 rupees. So even if you buy 2 bottles, it is going to be like 152 rupees for you. It's not going to be less than 152 rupees, even if you purchase like 2 bottles at a time. So let's go to the next website. This is Healthmark, and here you can see it is 152 rupees for 200 ml, and here you can see the 200 ml is priced at 136.80 rupees. So next, so here you can see I just typed in Baxon Sunny All Purpose Aloe Vera Calendula Cream, and I got this. I wanted 125 grams, so I just purchased that one. I put it in the cart. Next, I wanted to get a toothpaste, so I'm just going to buy a homeopathic toothpaste, that is this BNT Dental Care Gel. It is a very good one, and the same product I wanted to purchase in 100 gram, so I'm just going to click on that and add to cart. Next, I wanted this neem face wash, so let me buy that. I think on that particular face wash is not available, it might be out of stock. So next, I'm going to buy this henna powder. So it's very easy, you just have to type it in the search section and you get all the available products, and from that you can just search and you can get whatever product you want and just add it to the cart. Okay, next is Arnica hair oil and Silk and Stay bathing bar. So I guess I've got everything, so I'm just going to view the cart now. Now here you can see all the products are given here, and here in the right side you can see use coupon code. Now what you have to do, whichever coupon code I'm going to give you here, you have to enter it over this particular, in this particular box. So enter the coupon over here and then click on apply coupon. Here you can see you saved on products 10%. So you are saving while the purchase, and then after the purchase also you're saving 10%, and then for shipping you are paying flat rate of 60 rupees. So here you can click on continue shopping or you can click on checkout. I'm going to check out now because I have all the products that I wanted. Here you can see you have to register or you have to log in if you are registered, then you can directly log in, or first you register, put a email ID, password, and then here you can see the shipping method is flat rate 60 rupees, and above 1000 rupees you get it free, 100% free. Payment method, you can either pay by credit card, debit card, or you can pay cash on delivery. Here you can see the total amount is given, and then the flat rate is 60 rupees, and credit card, debit card, or net banking you can pay from. Here I'm going to select cash on delivery, and that is costing me 35 rupees extra. Now again, the coupon that I'm going to give you, so you are saving 10% on these products, that is you're saving 60 rupees, and 35 rupees cash on delivery charges, and flat rate you have to pay delivery charges 60 rupees. Okay, so if your order is above 1000, you don't have to pay anything, as mine is below 1000, I have to pay 60 rupees. Here you can add any comments about your order if there are any, and then you can click on confirm order. Since I thought of adding one more product, I'm going to confirm my order later. But here you can see there is also a wish list, that you can add the products which you want in the wish list, and later on you can order them. So here you can see that there is a number, so I just call them because I wanted to let them know that I was going to review their website, and also I wanted to take their permission that can I review this website. So I just told them that I like this website and I'm reviewing this for my channel and all the details. I came to know about a few more things. One thing is, if you find all these things very complicated, or you don't know how to online order, you just have to call them, and they are going to help you manually to put in your order. One more important thing is, their customer service people are very polite and are very kind, and they'll help you out in any way you want. And the big surprise is, when I told them that I had a YouTube channel and I wanted to review this for my YouTube channel, they gave us, specially to my channel subscribers, a VIP discount of 3% on the total bill. So for your first purchase, whatever purchase it is, you're going to get an additional 3% discount, along with all the discount that you're getting, 18% plus 10% plus 6%, everything. And then you're going to get an additional discount for being my subscriber. So you just have to enter the coupon code over in this section. The coupon code will be new3, okay, capitals new3. You just have to enter this coupon code in this particular section and click on apply coupon. So here, just to show you, I'm going to apply this coupon and show you that you're going to get a 3% additional discount, because this website were kind enough to give you a discount of 3% on your complete bill. Here you can see this is the same bill, and here you can see the coupon new3 applied, and you get an additional 3% discount, 3% on your total bill. So I was totally amazed by this thing, and I was also amazed by how kind and polite these people are. I just wanted to check in whether I'm allowed or permitted to review this website, and they gave a discount of 3%. And also, this particular package that I had ordered, I got it received within 2 days only. So it was a very fast delivery. I didn't expect this in the COVID situation, especially. I thought because of the lockdowns everywhere, it will be, the transit delays, and the package might take some time to reach to my place. But it was very quick. Thing that you're going to see is the unboxing of that package, and you'll be astonished at how properly this has been packaged and sent. So here I'm going to unbox these products, and I'm going to show you how they have reached me, so you can also analyze the packaging of the product and how the products are. The receipt of the product and the name of the brand, it is displayed on the cover itself. So it is packaged very securely, and now I'm going to open it. So it took me a lot of time to open this box because it was, the complete packaging was very secure. So it's completely packed with these thermocol pieces. These were keeping the products secure. Now I'm going to remove all the products one by one. Here you can see I've got this dental care gel, this SBL's herbal henna powder, SBL's Arnica shampoo, aloe vera calendula cream, Silk and Stay soap, and Arnica hair oil. This was the neem face wash that I ordered later. So after adding this product, I had checked out. The complete box was filled with this particular thermocol pieces. So it was very secure and none of my products were damaged. If you were wondering, none of my products were damaged. So now let me tell you my honest review about this website. I believe this website is very, very good. It is very impressively made. It has huge number of products. It is having all homeopathic as well as Ayurvedic products and cosmetics and much more. And also you are getting them at a comparatively a lot cheaper rates from any other website. You get a flat 18% discount plus a 10% discount, and also you're getting an additional 3% discount for that coupon code that I gave you. So it's a win-win. Okay, so this is my go-to website. So next time whenever I have to buy any other cosmetic, I'm just going to buy from this particular website. And also I might try the wholesale section of this website because I wanted to try this out because I believe I'm going to get a lot of discount in this particular website. That was my review. Now about the drawbacks of this website, there are not many and it can be ignored of course, but I found that in the search criteria I had to put particularly the complete name of the product to search it. And one more thing that clicked is that I had to pay 35 rupees extra for cash on delivery, which is normally not there on any other website. So that was it. You just have to pay 35 rupees. So you're getting a lot of discounts over here. And comparatively, if you see, it just balances out. And again, it's a win-win. So not many drawbacks with this website and good reviews. So this video was a complete amazing experience of viewing this website. I just went through it. Luckily I got it. I called them and they gave this huge discount to my subscribers. And also the unboxing, this was my first unboxing video. Hopefully I have done it right. But thank you so much. We are going to reach 5,000 subscribers this week and I'm going to bring some giveaway to you obviously. And thank you so much for all the support that you have given to my channel. And if you're still watching this video, kudos to you. And use that coupon, and the coupon is also given in the description below in case you're wondering. Use that coupon and take that discount and visit that website. And thank you so much. Please subscribe, click on the bell, and don't forget to like and share our video with your friends. Thank you.